Hey guys, I'm Mommy here, and today it is Sunday, February the 24th. So it's raining outside, so we can't go outside today.
It's not raining.
So it's feeling raining outside. So in the thunder, the snow comes out. Then the rain took up the snow. Now it's gonna be raining outside at 10 a.m. Girls, wake up.
What? Can I go outside?
No, it's too raining outside. We can go outside tomorrow.
It is cold outside.
No, it's raining outside. A freezing rain. Okay, Sophia, wake up. What is it? So, Emily?
Yeah? Can I go outside?
No, it's raining outside. It's a freezing rain. So because we can't go to school today, we're going to school tomorrow. Hi, Sophia.
Hi.
And Ollie? Ollie, wake up.
What is it?
Good morning, Ollie.
Can I go outside?
No, it's raining outside. So Daddy has to go to work. So Daddy is going to work. So I'm just gonna go with Daddy and see the rain. So that guys are gonna go stay home with my daughter, with my niece, because my niece has blonde hair. So my niece has brown hair. So my daughters and my son will stay home with my niece. So me and my husband will go to work. So my niece will stay home with my kids who would guard. Oh my God. It's raining outside. Oh my goodness. We cannot go outside today. It's too raining outside. Yeah, so because the rain comes out, so because it's raining outside. Yeah. So everything now, so thanks for watching my video. I'll comment down below which one. I'll see you, bye.